Hi, I'm Luby McNamara and I'd like to share with you today one of the practices from the Nourish and Empower phase of cultural emergence. And this is such a simple and universal and effective and deeply profound tool that anyone can use it. You can use it at any time. I really enjoy using it with my family. It's the practice of appreciation and celebration, and to really appreciate our family, appreciate ourselves, appreciate the world. We live in a culture of complaining. It's more usual. I live in the UK and it's more usual for us to say the weather's too hot, too cold, too wet, too dry, too windy, too still, and to actually shift that culture of complaining where really nothing is ever enough, and that echoes into us. Are we doing enough? Is our family, are they doing enough? Are children doing enough? Are they enough? To actually shift from that not enough into that abundance thinking, into that appreciation of who they are, who you are, what we have. I like to start my check-ins with my partner. We appreciate things in general, and then we appreciate each other specifically, what they've done since our last check-in. And there's usually some domestic chore, something that they've done that has really been kind and helpful to the house, and it stops us getting into a grumble about the things that do need doing. There's always more to be done, of course, but let's be grateful for what they do. So gratitude, you can do it when you wake up in the morning, you can do it before you go to bed, you can share it at meal times with your family, share it spontaneously, share it think of some things you're grateful for while you're at the traffic lights. There's many things to be grateful for in this world, and it really starts to shift our brain chemistry to actually literally our brain chemistry when we start appreciating, and that shifts into having a culture of appreciation and gratitude that then will help to lay the foundations for regenerative culture. So really simple, profound tool, practice it regularly, and I promise you will feel the benefits. Thank you for listening, and stay tuned for some more videos and top tips from Cultural Emergence Toolkit.